If you want to enter recovery mode on your PlayStation Vita, or if your Vita system is unresponsive, so you want to factory reset it from the safe mode, then let me show you how to enter safe mode on your PS Vita. To put your PS Vita into safe mode, first you'll have to shut it down completely. And to fully power off your PS Vita, all you need to do is hold down the power button at the top until you see this screen, and then you'll need to tap on power off. Wait a few seconds until you no longer see the green LED. Now to put your PS Vita into safe mode, you'll need to press and hold the following 3 buttons: the PlayStation button, the power button at the top, and the right trigger or right button together. So let's do it, and we'll need to hold it down until we see the PlayStation logo. And as soon as we let go of the buttons, you'll see your PS Vita is now in safe mode or recovery mode. And in this menu, to move around, you'll need to use the D-pad's up and down arrow. So now if you want to reset your PS Vita, go down to restore this system, and then you'll need to press X, or in case you have a Japanese PS Vita, then you'll need to press the circle. Then you'll have to confirm by pressing yes, and after that your PlayStation Vita will restart and boot up into the setup mode. And in case you want to get out of safe mode, you'll just need to select restart this system, or just shut down your PS Vita by holding down the power button. So that's how you can reset your PlayStation Vita via the recovery mode. So if this helped, let us know by dropping a like, subscribe for more PlayStation Vita guides, and I'll see you in the next one.